Okay, guys, just the last Ask Scruff of the night, because we're about to go in the meeting in about 10 minutes time, and I just thought I'd fit this in. Part of it, as you will see, let me just flick it over and we'll drag it in, is about how quickly I get back to people. So, it's for Ben. Little salute to you. Okay, so how quickly? Well, it's because I try and manage my time, but my trading is the same. I manage my time all day. From when I come to screen at about 6:37 in the morning, I've got everything in segments, and I do it in hourly chunks. And if I've got a spare 15 minutes, put the camera, and here we are. So just watch the fib and trigger on Wave the Scruff. And sometimes these candle moves shoot straight through the level, fib or SNR, correct. When looking to capitalize on the retracement, do you treat the level the same as a target or an exit point, or is there enough power in both moves to stick to the fibs I have drawn on? I can't see the thing because obviously this is just the questions point. What I'll say about that, and we'll kind of, when I do a sort of one-to-one with you, I'll go through it. But mainly, what we're looking at here is the levels give you a framework of what to work to. Now, fib levels, they're actually structured in such a way they can give you an entry and an exit, whether that's to positive or negative. Now, when you're gauging the strength, you're not really looking at the fib levels. You want to be looking at something like the Bollinger Band, which is then backed up with momentum. Now, the Bollinger Band will show you the strength, and then look at the momentum meter to see how far that strength's in. Well, if they're still flaring out on the Bollinger Band, the chances are it's going to blast through the level. So therefore, if it's going to come up to this level, you can target the next one. And if it's going to capitalize on the retracement, draw your fib in, and again, 23 in, 38 risk-free, 50 you're out. Simple stuff. I know that's kind of an overview of what's going on, but when we do the Q&As, etc., bring it up, we'll pull a screen up, and I'll show you. But fib, always remember, the fib is a framework, and when you do your 3-click bias, that'll give you the direction, and then when you're going into your trigger, just keep an eye on the overall view. It's normally the hourly of the strength and momentum, and that'll tell you which one of those levels it's going to push to. And then as long as you've got enough space for your target, use the levels underneath to get in. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.